it's clearly also a societal challenge. So what kind of technologies do we want? How can we devise them in a way that they are privacy preserving, even privacy enhancing in cases? So here, in terms of the research that we're doing, we're at the cutting edge, so we're very aware of those challenges. We're very responsible in what we do with the data that we acquire, that we process. If you look at the applications that we envision, so here the vision is really to create something that creates scene understanding capabilities on the device itself. So the device does not need to store video. It does not need to transmit any visual data. It's just there in order to provide navigational aids, provide scene understanding capabilities to the robotic, automotive, or wearable applications.
Now, in as far as technology goes, I think technology can also be a great protector of privacy. And in our project, for instance, I see it that way. It's really like privacy by design. For instance, if you take something like Google Street View, there will be people visible there on the street. And of course you can blur their faces, but that would not mean that people who know those persons would not recognize them somehow. You could probably identify quite a few people if you know that part of town. But suppose now you can recognize indeed these are people, that's a car and so on, you can take them out of the model. And instead, when I talk about traffic flows, of course we do not want to show the individual people leaving their door in the morning at 8:35 precisely and show that in any model. We want to show the typical flows that exist, how dense those flows are, and visualize them nicely so that it's also a neat thing to look at. But it's all anonymized, and it's anonymized because of the technology. It's a very technology that, in fact, guarantees the privacy.